Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this video. I'm going to be testing out some brand new products from Makeup Revolution, including their concealer, a new highlighter, a liquid lipstick, and also a brand new eyeshadow palette from Revolution. This is the makeup look that I created with it today, so if you want to see how I got this look, then carry on watching the video. As always, there'll be links down below in the description box so you can buy everything. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you like this video. I really appreciate that, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. My goal this year is to reach 5,000 subscribers, and that would be literally insane. Thank you so much if you are already subscribed, and thank you for all your likes and comments. I really appreciate it. But yeah, the products that I'm going to be using today are two concealers. One is in the colour C8 and C15, the one I use for highlight, one I use for contour. I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Pro lipstick in the shade Pigment Illusion, I think. The highlighter that I use is in Rose Gold, and the Revolution eyeshadow palette I use is called 24 Karat Gold. It's incredible. You're going to want to see the colours. If you like this makeup look, guys, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoy. Okay, so I've just got my foundation on, and I'm actually wearing the Primark foundation, which is like £5. I really like it, it's so good, and I know there's a lot of mixed reviews out there, but I've actually recorded a personal review of the foundation, so if you guys want me to edit and upload that, then I will for you. Just let me know by thumbsing up this video or by giving me a comment in the comment section down below. But yeah, let's go in with the concealer. So the concealers, I have got them in the shades C8 and C15. One I use for highlighting and one I use for contouring. The contour shade, as you'll see now, is quite a cold contour shade, so it was the only one they had in the shop, so that's why I bought it. But if I had a choice, I would pick one with more like red undertones to make me look a little bit more warmer, but I'm actually really loving the look that it gives. And for £4, you literally can't go wrong. You get 0.11 or FLOZ or 3.4 milliliters. I don't know if that's good or not, but to me it looks like a good amount, like it looks like a good decent amount compared to my other concealers. It actually might be a little bit more, but the other thing I noticed with these, I do need to apply more of this than other concealers. So it comes with quite a big wand, like a lipstick kind of one, but it's like furry. A lot of concealers are doing this now. It's like a new thing. I really like it because I can put it quite precisely on my eyes. I don't have to drag my eyes, and no product gets wasted, so any excess just goes straight back into the bottle. The lid is quite big, but there is like a section in the middle which takes off a little bit of the excess, but a lot does come out, but then you can just kind of like scrape it back off if it's too much. So I'm just gonna put this on how I usually would, and again, like, I think this is quite a good colour for me, but I think it's more of a pinky tone, and I usually like to go for a more yellowy tone, but again, like I said, it was literally the only one that they had left. So as you can see, that is concealed quite a lot, but I can still see quite like dark areas under my eyes. So I'm just gonna go back in with a little bit more. I don't know whether it's me just being paranoid, because it looks pretty good on camera, to be fair. And what I'm gonna do is not blend out too much, because maybe I'm just blending it like loads. It does blend really easily. It doesn't dry too quickly, so that's really good. I'm now going to go in with the contour shade. Now, a little bit does go a long way. It's either because I picked like a really dark shade because it's all they had, or it just blends so beautifully. So all I do is I wipe off like a lot of the excess, and then I just dot it exactly where I want it, just a little bit. Now, careful when you're blending this, because if you're going like this, it will go everywhere. So yeah, at first it looks like it's not blending properly, but if you keep going, it will blend out really nicely. See, it's giving me just like a really nice, natural, contoured look. When I blend the nose one, I try not to move it around too much. I just try and blend it down and outwards, because otherwise it will ruin the contour. So that's what the liquid highlighter and contour looks like without powder, like I haven't set it or anything. So I'm gonna set it with the Makeup Revolution Banana Baking Powder, which is £5, and it is literally just as good as the Ben Nye Banana Powder, which costs like £40. I bought mine so long ago, maybe like a year ago, and I've still got just under half left, so like a third left. So I can actually see the concealer creasing a bit now, so I was a bit slow with putting this powder on. So I'm gonna bronze my face now, and I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution Bronzer Kiss. I think that's just like the shade of it. It's quite a dark, reddy tone bronzer, and as you can see, I've used the hell out of it because I absolutely love it. Again, it was super, super cheap, like £4 or £6. I've hit pan, and I definitely need a new one. So I'm going to use the I Heart Makeup 24 Karat Gold eyeshadow palette. First of all, the packaging is super, super lush, and it's just fun and crazy, and the selection of colours that you get inside the palette are literally insane. You have like everything you need. You have a base colour, you have your blending colours, you have shimmers, mattes. Some of the eyeshadows are actually double the size in length, so they're like your really shimmery ones that you probably put on the corner of your eyes or on top of your eyebrow, which really make it pop. This palette is super affordable. I think it's literally like £10. I'm looking at these shades and I'm loving these two and these two. They're just, they're like all year round autumnal shades, which everyone is in love with right now. And the black here, it looks like a really, really true black, so I'm really excited to use that as well. So I'm going to show you guys some swatches, so let's just go straight into these two. Yeah, that is really, really pigmented, as you guys can see now. I'll show you a close-up. Look how black that black is. That is literally insane. The shimmery colours are really, really pigmented, but this matte brown here is not the most pigmented compared to like the other ones, but I'm really excited to use it on my eyes either way. I'm gonna go in with a flat brush with that matte brown shade. Actually, I think it's a bit dark. I might go actually with the top corner shade, the one opposite to the gold shade. I'm gonna go in with that and put that as my base colour. Yeah, it's like a nice warm medium brown shade. And I'm gonna go in with the third shade in, so it's right in the middle in the top row, the pinky kind of shade, to kind of blend that out a bit. I'm gonna go in with that shimmery, maroony, gorgeous pinky shade, the one that's in the right hand side bottom. Just gonna go in with my finger, and I'm gonna put that on my lid. So pigmented, it's so pretty. It is falling out a bit though on my face, have to admit. Guys, look how pretty, so nice. I'm going in with that same shade. I'm gonna go underneath with the same color. It's such a strong red, it's like literally stunning. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with in the middle row, the third one in, the pinky shimmery shade. And I'm just gonna put that in the inner corners. Then I'm gonna get a little bit of that gold, the second one in the middle row, and just put a little bit in the middle of my eyelid. Then I'm gonna get a bit of that green. Of course, I've got to use some of this green, it's incredible. And I put that above that. And then just blend it. I'm gonna do the other eye and then come back to you guys. Okay, so I am so happy with this look so far, but I feel like I can add some more colors to it or do something extra with it. Like, I am in no way a makeup artist. I feel like it's so easy to create a really nice look. All the colors in the palette complement each other, and I found this really fun and really just simple to use, and I just literally love the looks that I've done so far. But I really want to use some of the other colors in the palette, so I'm going to go in with the black. I've actually already done this eye. I've just gone into the bottom eyelash really, really gently. Literally just one tap in that black is so black. I'm going to tap a lot of it off and just go really gently right next to the lash line. I'm gonna go in with the biggest gold colour in the top right hand side, the really pretty colour, with a clean finger because these are all got loads of different eyeshadows on it. I'm just gonna go over that gold just to like make it pop just that little bit more. Oh, so so pretty. It's so easy to use as well. I've literally used like 3 brushes and the rest of it I just use my fingers. I don't have time to spend 2 hours on makeup. So minus all the talking, this eyeshadow look literally took me like 5-10 minutes. And you don't have to use all the colours that I use. I really think that the red shimmery colour and just a little bit of gold in the middle would do you just perfect. You don't need a base colour, you don't need to add the green, the black, like it was really pretty to begin with. I just really wanted to use like a load of extra colours. So I'm going to do my eyeliner and mascara off camera, and then I'm going to come back to you guys because I'm going to be using a brand new highlighter from Makeup Revolution and their new collection Makeup Revolution Pro. I'm going to be using one of their liquid lipsticks, so I'm so excited about that. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Rose Gold Ingot Highlighter. This is actually the biggest highlighter I own. There's quite a lot of product here. So yeah, there's literally so much product, and this is like a pinky rosy gold color. Now in the package it doesn't look extremely like bam highlighter on point. It just looks like a normal kind of highlighter, but maybe it's different once you put it on the skin. I'm going to use 2 techniques. I've seen this new technique of people using a beauty blender to apply highlighter, so I'm going to try that. And I'm also going to use my usual technique which I use, which is a fan brush. So let's go in with the fan brush first. I think it will really complement this eyeshadow palette because the tones in it are really pink. That is a really, really nice colour. The highlighter itself is really nice and a lot more shimmery on in. So if you guys can see, that's what it looks like. It's incredible. I literally love it. Now I'm going to try with the beauty blender and see how that goes. FYI disclaimer, I've never done this before in my life, so if it goes wrong, it's probably not the it's probably not the highlighter, it's probably me. Interesting. This is all new to me. Oh, I don't know what's better. Which side do you guys prefer, this side or this side? I'm not too sure. I think this side looks way more like pigmented right now. Yeah, it's totally more pigmented. So I'm gonna go in again on the other side. This is so pretty. Okay, so this is the highlight. It's literally insane. I am glowing. What do you guys think of it? The only thing I would say is I don't think it complements the makeup that much on my eyes because I've gone with like gold and warm tones, and then like the highlighter on my face is cool tones, so it's quite opposite, but whatever, who cares? I think it's pretty, and obviously I'm just trying out the new stuff that I got, so that's what I received. I'm gonna try the new Makeup Revolution Pro Supreme Matte Lip Pigment Illusion. I am so excited for this because I love lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, everything. I think it just really finishes a makeup look. It's really the cherry on top of a cake, and these are so affordable. It's incredible. So let me just open this up. Again, the packaging to me does scream pro. It looks quite professional. It doesn't look extremely cheap because it is actually extremely cheap. So it comes with like quite a flat spoolie, like little wand, and I feel like these ones, the flatter the wand, the more easier I find it is to apply the lipstick. So I love the MAC Retro Liquid Lipsticks because literally the colours are incredible anyways, but the brush makes it so much easier to apply on my lips and just makes my lips look better, makes me feel more confident, etc, etc. So I'm really excited that this is the shape one that they've actually gone for. The product itself, it looks quite bright, like I don't know if it will, oh my god, it's so nice actually. It's like an orangey brownie colour. It looks just like one of the vintage colours of the MAC collection, and again it complements the eyeshadow palette so well. That went on so easy, it's so smooth, it literally looks perfect. I haven't made any mistakes, which is rare. Oh my god, I need this. I need these in like so many more colours. I need berry colours, I need purples. This is so nice. I think it is maybe one shade too light for me. It's not usually the colour that I would go for, but it really complements the eye makeup nonetheless. It feels really soft. I don't know if it's gonna like dry really matte, like I'm rubbing my lips together and it's fine. I don't know whether that's what it's supposed to do, I'm not sure. So this is a close-up of the whole look. what is your favorite bit, guys? What do you like the most? I think I like the eyeshadows the most. Guys, this is the finished look. Do you like it? Do you not like it? What's your best feature? Like, did you like the eyes, the lips? I think my favorite is the eyeshadow palette, the eyes, because I can just imagine, and I'm so excited for all the different eyeshadow looks that I'm gonna create with this palette. It was so easy, and I'm pretty lazy. I like to just use like 1 or 2 colors, even though I use like 7 today. I can see myself using this palette and literally using mostly these 6 colors here and creating super easy everyday looks. I'm actually really loving the silvery highlight now. I think it's quite different and pretty, and I feel like if I used a warm pinky highlight on my cheekbones, then my whole face would just be like pink. So maybe the silvery undertones really does work well with this look. What do you guys think? Guys, I'm pretty sure you've already tried something from Makeup Revolution and you already know how incredible the brand is and how big and how much more they're doing for us each and every day. Like, I went to the party the other day and the owner was saying thank you to us, and I just wanted to say thank you to him. Like, thank you for giving us affordable makeup, which is so good. Like, when I was growing up, it wasn't a thing. Like, if I wanted to look really good on my face, I had to go to a high-end beauty counter and buy makeup there, because there was no cheaper alternative which made you look like the celebs or made you look like people in the magazines. But this is the one and only brand that is not only, it gives you affordable makeup, creative makeup, and I just feel like I'm a part of something. So I feel like I'm really lucky to be alive right now and know that this brand exists and own so much stuff. So yeah, I'm really excited to see like where this brand is heading. Guys, if you want to see more videos, more makeup tutorials or more Makeup Revolution videos, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up so I know and I can do more for you. But yeah, thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I really appreciate it. If you could subscribe to my channel before you leave, if you haven't already, I would really appreciate that. My goal for this year is to reach 5,000 subscribers. That would be literally insane. But yeah, I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye.